These are going to be the west elevators here at the Swan and Dolphin Resort in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. There's 4 elevators here. I'm guessing that's the only original one. As you can see, the other ones have new lanterns. So there's a view of them. Let's look at that. Elevator beautification project. All right, let's call one. See which one we get. I like that call button. Oh, we got this one. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. All right, up to 12. What floor? Gotta say, that is the clearest KONE voice I've ever heard. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. I do videos and pictures of elevators as a hobby.
Nice. That's different.
Yeah.
I know.
Everyone's different.
Yeah.
That's what makes us unique.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah.
We'll have an excellent day.
Going up.
Going up. And you have an ADA phone built in. Alright, here it goes. Wow, I am actually pretty impressed with these. For KONEs, these run super well. These are Revolution mods.
12th floor.
Here on the 12th floor.
Going down.
Alright, down to the ground floor. Alright, let's get a cab view. Very nice elevators. There's Big Brother there. I mean, I prefer the old cabs and elevators, but I'm actually pretty impressed at this mod, considering KONE's behind it. They run well and they feel solid. Oh, we're stopping on 2.
Going down.
Alright, going down.
Yeah.
First floor. Going up.
Alright, I'm gonna go back. Let's go back up to 12. I'm gonna get dual indicators if I can. Innovation Prestige fixtures. I'm gonna go down to 11 and I'm gonna see if I can get the original one. Elevator P8.
Floor.
If it's okay, I'm gonna look outside the hallway real quick.
Sure.
Going down.
I'll send you down. Yeah. Well, the lantern looks nice. Look at the hallway. You can tell they renovated the hotel recently. Looks very nice. Let's see, I hope we can get... I hear it. I think we're gonna get this one. Yay, we got an original. Here's this one. It's original, but not for much longer though. This is what's going away soon. These are Montgomery elevators, and here's the old cab. Wooden floors. Here on the ground floor. We're gonna take another ride up to 12. Montgomery A-Series fixtures. It's the only original one remaining, so this is a final ride. I want to give thanks to ADAS Elevators for notifying me about this mod before it's too late. There's your key switch and the interlock. G. To burn out on that side. Here's a dual indicator cam. Here on the ground floor. And we will get off here. Oh, and you can see the shaft light for that one's on that side's on. So I'm guessing they're probably working on that one. I'm gonna ring it, see if we can listen. It didn't ding. Oh well. Well, there it goes. And that's gonna be it. These are gonna be the east elevators here at the Yacht Club. Oh wow, look. We're working on one. Don't leave. Well, it's going to. Oh, there we go. We got it before it tried to leave. Let's get a cab view. Here's a view of the shaft. You can see they're working on the other elevator there. All right, 12. Here we go. You're on 12.
Floor number 12. Going down.
Interesting voice. Let's go to G. The doors are slow as molasses.
Was it slow on the other elevators?
What?
Was it slow on the other elevators?
Yeah, it was kind of slow, but not as slow on as this one. Here's a view of the cab. Very nice cab. It's gonna be going bye-bye pretty soon. I love that bell.
Ground floor.
We'll get one more ride on this one.
Going up.
There's your interlock. Going up?
Yep.
What floor?
7.
We're on 7.
Perfect.
There we go, it's shutting. Man, these doors are slow.
Yeah.
Floor number 12.
And we'll take it down to the ground
Going
floor.
down.
And I'll try to get a modded one. But yeah, this is the last ride on these. They're Montgomerys from 1989. Just gonna get an indicator cam this time. And we'll watch the button go out. And you can kind of see the shaft light on the one they're working on go by. There's a close-up of the fixtures.
Going up.
All right, we're gonna now send you up. That's the one they're working on over here. Do not enter. All right, let's call it.
Going up.
And there's your interlock. Whoa.
Going up.
Getting some photos.
Yeah.
All right, up to 12. Just take a quick ride on this one.
Floor. Going down.
All right, let's see. There's your new KONE key switch and interlock there. Let's go down to G. Panel feels a little cheap, but for KONE, this actually does feel solid. Nice
floor.
cab.
Going down.
Just taking a video of the elevators. I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Okay.
Yeah. It sounds weird, but I just do it as a hobby.
Everybody's different.
Yeah, it's true. They recently replaced these, actually.
The lifts.
Yes.
Ground
Oh,
floor.
are you from the UK?
Going up.
Cool. I can tell because that's what they call them over there.
True.
Well, have a nice day, ma'am. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.